In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a UX design portfolio website with Notion for free. Whether you're a seasoned designer looking to showcase your work or just starting out and want an organized professional space to highlight your projects, this guide will lead you through every step. Let's dive into the process. To begin, you're going to open your browser and head over to Notion's website. If you haven't already, create an account or log in. Once you've accessed Notion, you'll notice a user-friendly interface that combines notes, tasks, and databases into one streamlined workspace. This versatility makes Notion a fantastic choice for building a portfolio. Now, you'll see in the top left corner of the interface, there's a little arrow pointing downwards. Go ahead and click on that arrow. This will reveal a drop-down menu with various options for you to explore. Next, you want to focus on the Templates option. Click on it. Templates are a powerful feature of Notion. They essentially offer you a starting point, a canvas with pre-designed settings that you can tailor to your specific needs. In the search bar within the Templates menu, type UX Design Website. This will filter the templates and bring relevant options to the forefront. Once you've entered the search term, scan the results for one titled UX Portfolio. You'll see that some options may prompt you to click See All to expand the category. Feel free to do so if it helps you find exactly what you're looking for. Upon locating the UX portfolio, click on the Add button. This adds the template to your workspace. Now you might be wondering which workspace to add it to. As that choice pops up, consider using your primary workspace or even a private one if you wish to experiment first before making your portfolio public. It's always a good practice to ensure that the workspace you select is the one you intend to keep your personal branding consistent and professional. The final step is accessing your new template. Click on See Template to dive into the structure of your portfolio. This grants you the opportunity to explore the layout, understand how pages are interconnected, and start customizing. Notion's flexible structure means you can easily adapt this template to suit your style and needs, from adding project pages to embedding media and customizing fonts. With your UX design portfolio now in Notion, you have a solid foundation to start building and showcasing your projects. This quick setup is just the beginning. Be sure to take time to explore Notion's features further and optimize your portfolio to its fullest potential. Happy designing!